Okay, I'm on State Road 15 heading north. About to come up onto County Road 126 to the right. There's a huge field to the left of us here. I don't know if you can see the snow blowing yet, but we're about to head into this blizzard whiteout. Near ground blizzard. Here we go. That car is about 100 yards in front of us. Well, there was a car in front of us. There was a road too. Wow. Okay, there's the car again. There's a semi up there. Woo! Somebody's turning right, I hope. There we go. Oi! Car! And we're out. That was it.